Rotimi Fakaijo is a trader and chief executive officer at Enterprise Stockbrokers. Is joining us for a few minutes conversation, chit chat on this. Rotimi, good morning. Thanks for coming through.
Good morning, both.
Well, from all indications, it looks like yesterday's market briefing on two planks: currency on one side, energy costs for Dangote Cement on the other. Those were the two planks. Do you agree?
Well, I do agree with you.
So what sense do you make, Rotimi, moving forward? What sense did you get from yesterday's briefing regarding how Dangote Cement, the management, is handling these two challenges on its hands?
Well, I think the expansion campaign they have been doing has been yielding results. But one thing that is very key is initially those things are going to be cost-oriented to the balance sheet and the income statement. But thereafter, it start yielding results. But without doubt, Nigerian market still remains the most viable among all the countries that have invested in. And with the kind of huge investment that government has already made, it is not far-fetched that with the failing economy right now, they are also feeling the effect. And that is why we are seeing, in spite of the increase in the top line, that is their gross earnings, they are still seeing a slight decline relative to the same prevailing period last year in their profit after tax. And I think it's a very challenging period for Nigerian businesses. And I think the CEO made mention that the environment in Nigeria is a very challenging one and is not business friendly at all. And I think this is a message to the federal government and to the president that we need to do something urgently.
Well, let's talk about currency here. Part of the presentation says that the impact of the Naira devaluation in June has not yet been felt at $1 to 2.85. Based on this report from Dangote Cement, says its costs rose by 25%. If you're looking at Naira dollar today, Rotimi, at about 315, 320, and whatever, you think this cost would have gone higher? Do you think this is still a major issue for this cement maker?
Yes, it is a major issue. And for the fact that the exchange rate is unabating, it definitely implies that if it goes on, that is leaving the region of 315, 320 to another 360, but definitely we're going to see the impact the more. But they are trying to manage their costs. And I think the most important problem now is not even the rate, is the availability, which is not anywhere. And I think this is major concern.
From those of you who are market traders, what's your takeaway? In summary, about a minute, what's the takeaway from yesterday's market briefing? This company remains big. Yes, is a leader in the cement industry in Nigeria and across Africa. So what did you take away from that presentation?
Well, to me, I believe that the Dangote Cement has really added value to the Nigerian economy, because if not for the fact that we have sufficient production of cement in Nigeria right now, we are having a very different story for builders and those who are into construction. So I think for me, going forward, the company remains strong, and with a market share of almost 70%, I believe they will continue to remain strong and add value to shareholders. So I think the way it's been, we should really applaud what they have added to the value they've added to the economy, and investors should have more belief in what they can impact on them in the nearest future.
Okay, Rotimi Fakaijo, thank you very much. Let's keep an eye on the market. Keep an eye on the market for us.